testing Sony 10 to 18mm lens on my A7S II. So this lens on A7S II can only shoot up to 1080p because not enough pixels on the sensor. Shooting on a picture profile still. I've watched some YouTube videos, people saying that this is the best for low light. It's easy to grade as well. You don't have to grade it. It's for still. It's very saturated, very nice and contrasty, and also aperture f4, so I'll be easily in focus, I think, as opposed to my Tamron 28 to 75, often out of focus because the shallow depth of field. So this thing in low light should be much better than A7RII, even in 4K. It is really dark out here, and it's rainy and cold. If the 1080p on A7S II is good enough in low light, then maybe I won't bother to even shoot 4K. Editing will be easier, life will be easier. Depends. From what I've seen on the monitor, the footage looked good on the camera. We'll see when I put on the computer. It still looks good. Sky's reddish, probably because it's raining. Across the road.